What is happening, guys? Hey, welcome back to another episode of Pond Hopper Fishing. Hey, I'm the guy who's going to be running behind the chest rig camera. My name is Mike. If you guys are subscribed, I appreciate it. Thank you for all the support, and go ahead and drop a like on this video. If you guys are not subscribed, what are you guys doing, man? Come on, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's like one easy motion, but that's it. That's all you have to do. All right. Anyway. Stay tuned for this video, guys. You guys are gonna want to watch it all the way through. There was a true trophy bass caught in this video, guys. And when I say trophy bass, I think that everybody kind of has the understanding that trophy bass is 8 pounds and up. If you guys don't think a trophy bass is 8 pounds and up, and you think it's bigger or smaller or whatever, let me know down in the comments. All right, yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna change things up on. I'm gonna do a little frog fishing video the next few days. I got a new rig, new reel. I got the Concept A2, and I've got some sweet braid on it. It's very patriotic. You guys will see. But let's get into this video, guys. All right, see you out there. All right, guys, what's happening? So here we are. I'm trying to catch some big fish for this tournament. It's your best 3 fish for the entire month. So, saying that, we're targeting bigs. That's all we're doing. Got to target bigs, got to land them. But it's been crazy because the weather's changed, so I don't know what they're gonna be eating. I feel like they're still gonna be eating moving baits. So, got a couple moving baits tied on right now. I even brought out the old chatterbait. So, let's see what we can do, guys. Let's get to it. So, while I was tying, or not tying, but putting a Lizzie on from 13 Fishing, there's all this bait just getting beat up right over here. Didn't sound like a big bass, but it was a bass for sure. Let me get a rattle trap real quick. Interesting. Bunch of bait right over here. Not a bunch, but a decent little school. I feel like they keep on moving this way because they're trying to avoid a bass. Fall, reel. Perfect. There you go. Felt him hit it. Can't tell. I mean, to be honest. Oh, actually, that's got some weight to it, guys. There we go. It's got some weight to it. Pick the right bait. Pick the right bait. That's what I'm talking about. Choked it. Yeah. Look at that. That's called a choke job. That's a thick fish too. She'll go. There she goes. I knew she'd be alright. Alright, guys. I got our first fish of the night and it was on a rail trap, and honestly I absolutely choked it. 19.25, so I only gained like a 1/4 inch. But I gotta find that school of bait again and throw on it. So obviously that's what they're smacking. All right, I can find the line. All right, so guys, man, he almost slapped me in the balls. Good fish. I wish we could have freaking caught it on camera because it absolutely thumped that, and that was fun. But good, get out of here. Oh, might have caught something here. No, side hooked him. Side hooked a little tilapia. Yeah, it felt really good. Oh, there we go. Dude, these things swallow this. I mean, swallow this. Yeah. That's gotta be a 5. The size of its mouth. Oh yeah. We're upgrading. I'm gonna say it's like 4 something. Low 4s. Yeah, 4 or 5. Almost 5.5 or 4.5. It's a good fish. Pretty fish. That's the way you do it. Very, very pretty fish. Girl. There she goes. It's gone. I'm done for the night. Unbelievable. No. You better be on it and stay down. Not big, of course. Definitely lost the bigger one. Okay, that definitely touched. Unbelievable. Unreal. This is absolutely crazy. You can't make this stuff up. I wonder if this hook's like dull or something. What the heck? At least the bait's holding up well. The trailer. And they are digging the caboose crawl, so that's a positive. There we go. Oh, I hammered it. Hammered it. I don't think it's big, but I hammered it. I absolutely chugged it. That's actually a good one. That's fatty. All right, how are we gonna do this? All right, come here, get up here. That is a chunk. Absolutely just hammered it.
gonna say upper 4s. Oh, I was wrong. Maybe. I'll check it in a minute. There we go. Yeah. 410. So a little boil over there. I mean, seriously, guys, look at that. I actually want to grab a picture with her. She's just that big. That thick, I should say. All right. 410. That's a good fish. Let her go. There she goes. She hit like a tank. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Knew there was one over here. That's a good one too. Oh, that's a big one, guys. Guys, that's 8. That is 8, if not 7. Oh. They switched it up, guys. That might be 9. Oh my god. That is a freaking monster. Freaking monster, guys. Woo! Yes. Found it. Found it. Oh. Found her, guys. Yes. Frickin' found her. Come on, big girl. You're gonna win me a tournament. Look at that little cliff banger, guys. I figured they would be eating. I'm so glad that I grabbed this. I figured that they would be eating moving stuff. I don't know why, I just had a feeling. Because of the rain, storm coming. She was not going anywhere. All right. See how big she goes. I'm gonna guess 7. Oh wow, 8-1. 8 freaking 1, guys. Eight one. There she is, 8-1. All right, we're ready. All right, guys. Rainy day, nasty out, 8 pounds, 1 ounces, 23 inches. This is a solid fish. This is my second 8-pounder of the year, and 30th fish 5 pounds or larger for the year. I just had a feeling that they're going to be hitting stuff that was moving today, and I was throwing a small little deep diver, the Cliff Banger from 13 Fishing, and she absolutely smoked it. I mean, smoked it, guys. This is an awesome fish. I mean, you can't beat this, guys. September, monster fish. Let's get her back, and hopefully I got some good pictures of this. I don't know, but this is a absolute tank, guys. I'm pumped. All right. It's rainy out, slippery out. I don't want to lose her. Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth. That's an absolute tank. All right, guys, well, I think that's going to wrap it up. Not a bad way to wrap it up. I continued to fish for a little while and just really didn't get anything, not even a bite. Everything kind of shut off. I think it's because the storm's really moving in. They're just going to go real deep. Anyway, guys, stay tuned for Bar Talk. We're going to have some stuff to talk about, guys. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Knew there was one over here. That's a good one too. Oh, that's a big, big one, guys. Guys, that's 8. That is 8, if not 7. Rainy day, nasty out. 8 pounds, 1 ounces, 23 inches. This is a solid fish. This is my second 8-pounder of the year. Absolute tank.
What's happening, guys? Hey, welcome back to another Bar Talk. I hope you guys liked the episode. If you did like this episode, go ahead and leave me a like. And if you aren't subscribed, come on, go ahead and subscribe. That's all I'm saying. So guys, that's like my, basically like I was saying, I think a trophy bass is 8 pounds and up. That's my 3rd trophy bass of the year. If you guys think a trophy bass is smaller than 8 pounds or bigger than 8 pounds, let me know down in the comments. But my belief is that a trophy bass is 8 pounds and up. Anyway, so what really was getting it done this time, guys, was, just this really small little deep crank from 13 Fishing called the Cliffbanger. And it was the 8-foot version. I don't even remember like what actual size, but it dives 8 feet down. And they were just hammering it, guys. So we found what they were eating. We stuck with it. We caught a few others on some different baits, but that really seemed to work. The water temperature's going down, so they're hitting moving baits again, and they're getting more active. Now, you guys up north are starting to get that fall feed going. We'll probably start running into that probably about another month. So we'll start getting the real chunky bass. So that 8-pounder that I caught will 8 pound 1 ounce. That could probably be pushing up to a 9-pounder here in another about 2 months. So anyway, guys, tournament's going well. I'm half an inch, or I think half an inch on a first now. So got to put in some more work doing that. But until next time, guys, remember, it's the right place, right time, right bait, whole lot of luck. And guys, keep on fishing. Cheers.